Welcome to your Constant Contact account. This video tutorial will go over everything from adding your contacts to creating and sending your first email. We'll also take a quick look at reporting and the different ways you can grow your contact list. Let's get started with adding your contacts. Click the Contacts tab and then click Add Contacts. From the drop-down, choose how you want to add your contacts. You can either type in one, paste in a few, or add them from a spreadsheet. Let's add them from a spreadsheet. Click Upload from File. Either drag your file into the provided area or click Browse your computer. Once you select your file, you'll be prompted to match your columns to our columns. This tells us which column holds the email address, first name, etc. When you're finished, click Continue. Now you have to pick the list to put them in. We created the general interest list for you, but you can create a new list for your contacts if you'd like. Then just click Import. You've now added your contacts. So what's the next step? Creating your email. Head over to the Campaigns tab and then click Create. Scroll through the available templates and just click one to select it. Once you're in the editor, you can quickly build your design. Click any block to edit it and put in your content. You can add other blocks by just clicking and dragging them. It may take some time to design the perfect email, but when you're finished, click Continue. This is where you can schedule your email. Select the list you just added and then choose to either send it now or at a later date and time. Once you're happy with your selection, click Schedule. We've just gone over two major parts of using Constant Contact. So what's next? Looking at your reports. Once you start getting opens and clicks, all of your results will display on the Reporting tab. Here, you can see high-level reporting data on how your campaign did. You can see your most engaged subject line and where you got the most opens, either on mobile or desktop. Scrolling down, you can see a graph of all of your emails and their percentage of opens and clicks. Going down a little further, you can see a table breakdown of your results. Click on any hyperlinked number to drill down into the specifics. Need an Excel sheet of this information? Just click Export All as CSV. Or if you just need results for one email, select it and then click Export Selected as CSV. Moving right along, let's take a look at growing your list with Constant Contact. On the Sign Up Forms page, you can click to create a sign-up form. Choose between a pop-up sign-up form, an inline sign-up form, or a landing page sign-up form. Editing your form is similar to editing your email. Just click each section to fill out and customize your form. Pop-up and inline forms need to be embedded on your website. So if you're not sure how to do that, get in contact with your web designer or take a look at our install guide. Once you've added your form to your website, you can start collecting contacts in the place they visit you most. That's really everything you need to know about getting started with Constant Contact. As always, we're here to help. Check out our knowledge base for more how-to articles, video tutorials, and quick start guides.